This, ladies and gentlemen, is the 1/14th scale MJX Hyper Go 14211. And there's been a lot of people who've compared it against the Armour Grom. This chassis, however, has been around long before the Grom was released. And for that reason, it's tried and tested, and we know it performs well. You will either love or hate the body shell design, but how will it perform on 2 and 3S batteries? Let's find out. It's got a 2852 brushless motor, a 45 amp ESC which supports 2 and 3S batteries, apparently up to 49 kph on 2S and 70 kph on 3S. It comes with a 3000 mAh 2S battery, 2.2 kg metal gear servo, and oil-filled shocks. It's got an all-metal drivetrain, and one day you'll be happy it has that huge support beam, and of course the built-in gyro. And all of this for approximately $145 US. That's a lot of quality and performance for the money. So, ladies and gents, this is everything that comes in the box. You have an extra set of wheels and tyres, which is never a bad thing, to be honest with you, especially if it starts to tear them up on a 3S battery. Here's the toolkit with the charger there, nothing really special, but it's nice that they chuck it in. And of course, the instruction booklet. The controller is a bog standard, as you can see, nothing special there. I like the fact that it's got the gyro on it, and as you can see, I've put the GPS on the back, and I'll just be leaving it on for when I've got the 2S and the 3S battery in. So it's going to be quite hard for you to see. Let me stand there, read. That is the old run of 59. So I will go to track and start. 42%, that's not going to last very long, is it? And you can't get to the power button once the shell is on, but if you push here and you don't mind potentially wrecking that, let me see. Yes, it's on, which is great. So, what speeds can it do? Let's go. Okay, the area that I was going to drive on that was ultra flatty gravel type is being worked on by workmen today, so I've had to come to this area that isn't ideal, and I'm certainly not going to get to top speed. I'll have to go some tarmac for that later. But it's faster than I anticipated. It does have the gyro on board, remember, which is pretty impressive at this price point. This one's honestly not about top speed, so the fact I can get to 70 on 3S is quite surprising to me. That's full throttle on the 2S. I expected it to flip straight away, and it's not. Why is it not flipping on those big bumps? Okay. Okay. That's voodoo. Okay, as I said, this area is not really for speed runs, but let's see what speed it did. Hello, why are you not working? Read 35 kph, which doesn't surprise me. So if there was ever a time that I thought that a 3S was pointless, it would be on this car, because let's be honest, it goes plenty fast enough on 2S, but let's see. Oh, come on. Is that what it's going to be? More power means more rolls. It does look good when it's at speed, I'll be honest with you. I was in the camp of, I don't really like the design, but now it's all dirty. It's doing great and it looks great. I can't get to full throttle, ladies and gents. Should we try? Yeah, well, you saw full throttle. Yes, okay. Listen, I love a car that's out of control and jumping and hopping and just crazy. But I thought the 2S was more fun. I can't believe I just said that. Don't tell Colin. Yes! Yeah, it's a lot more fun than I anticipated it to be. Even on this rough area, it can handle itself really well. I am impressed. I didn't think I would be. I'm a believer. Right, let's find some tarmac. Okay, it's the middle of the day here. There's not a lot of places I can drive and the wife has the car today, so I'm limited to this place. But it's flat enough and it will give us some rough idea. That's the 35 that we got on the 2S on gravel, but it's not very representative. Let's see what the 2S can do on this surface. So one last piece of housekeeping. It does have LED lights, as you can tell. We'll leave those on for the speed run. What speed can it do? Predictions now. Not that fast if it's going to spin like that. Okay, that's representative. Sorry about the camera angles. I'm trying my best, but my wrist is sore today. Right, what speed? 45. So it did say 49, so 45 is not bad. Will it hit the 70 though on 3S? So the 3S battery is in. Start. Wonder what speed it can do. Do you think it's going to get to the 70? Let's see, shall we? It's certainly fast enough on the 3S. I'm very aware of these expensive cars at the end. I'll go faster the other way. Oh! It's a lot harder to handle. It's certainly got some oomph to it, hasn't it? One more go. That's probably not going to do it. Right then, ladies and gents, place your bets now. Okay, enough messing around. Stop. 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 55. That's nowhere near the 70. Call me suspicious, ladies and gents. But is it fast enough? Hell yes, definitely. So, ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? It's handling and going a lot faster than I anticipated, and it is just really, really impressive. Can I say that you should buy it? Well, it's entirely up to you. Do you like the design? It's certainly more than capable enough, but do I think it's worth $145 US? Most definitely. The quality, the speed, the gyro on it, it's fully packed for a car of this size, which is pretty impressive. I don't know if I like the design. I do like it when it's going at full speed, but I'm not quite sure if I like it kind of like on the shelf as a shelf queen, to be honest with you. But the actual capabilities, the performance, without a shadow of a doubt, it's fantastic. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.